In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import template in Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the Mobirise site, access the AI website builder page, and bring a template into your workspace so you can start customizing it right away. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to mobirise.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar or search for Mobirise if that's easier. A quick tip, make sure you're visiting the official site so you're getting the most up-to-date tools and resources. If you're searching, look for the official result that clearly says Mobirise and leads to their homepage. Once you're on the search results page, click the official Mobirise link to enter the site. The homepage typically highlights their key features, examples, and calls to action. If the layout looks slightly different from what you've seen before, don't worry, websites update their design from time to time. What matters is that you're on the official Mobirise site and ready to proceed. On the homepage, look for the option that says Try AI Website Builder Software. This is the fastest path to exploring templates that you can import into your project. Clicking this will take you to the AI Builder area, where Mobirise showcases a variety of starting points. The AI Builder is designed to speed up setup so you can move from a blank canvas to a structured site in just a few clicks. Now it's time to choose a template. Browse the gallery and take a moment to think about your project's purpose, whether it's a portfolio, a business landing page, or an online brochure. Many templates list their intended use and show example sections so you can quickly gauge fit. If preview options are available, use them to see how the layout flows and how it might look on desktop and mobile. Keep an eye on design elements like typography, color accents, and spacing. Picking a template that matches your brand from the start will save you editing time later. When you find the one that suits your needs, click to select it. That action imports the template into the Mobirise Builder environment, populating your workspace with its blocks, sections, and styles. From here, you're ready to customize text, images, and settings to make the template your own. If you ever want to try another look, you can return to the gallery and pick a different starting point. That's all there is to it. Visit the official site, access the AI Builder, and choose a template to import. You're now set up to build with confidence.